Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Cardano, ADA, from Kucoin and get it over to your Metamask wallet. Now, a quick heads up. Metamask is primarily designed for Ethereum-based assets, so we'll need to handle this with a bit of a workaround, like bridging your ADA to an Ethereum-compatible token. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do this confidently in 2025. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Kucoin account with some ADA in it, and Metamask installed on your browser or mobile app. Also, ensure you have a small amount of ETH or another gas token in Metamask for any potential bridging fees. If you're new to this, double-check that your Kucoin account has two-factor authentication enabled for security. It's a must in the crypto world. Okay, step 1. Log into your Kucoin account on the website or app. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallets, section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find Cardano, ADA, in that list. Step 2. Click on ADA and select the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, this is where things get interesting. Metamask doesn't support ADA directly, so you can't send it straight there. Instead, you'll need to withdraw ADA to a Cardano-compatible wallet first, like Yoroi or Daedalus, to get your ADA address. Copy that address carefully. Enter the address in the withdrawal field on Kucoin, along with the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to check the network. Make sure it's set to the Cardano network. Review the fees and confirm everything looks good. Hit that withdraw button and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once your ADA is in your Cardano wallet, you can bridge it to Ethereum. Use a bridge like Wormhole or Multichain to convert your ADA into a wrapped version, like WADA, that works on Metamask. Transfer it to your Metamask wallet, and boom, you're all set. Always double-check addresses to avoid any mishaps. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing Cardano from Kucoin to Metamask might involve an extra step, but it's totally doable. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you next time.